So I wanted to really quickly just show you guys why it is that we invest in long-term ETFs. The ARK group that I like to invest in, just as an example. Today it's up 3%. 3% is a great deal considering that you get 0.05% on your savings account per year. I got my 3% today, and let's back up. When did I invest my money? Well, I bought a good bit there in that dip. I bought a good bit around in these two dips. I waited around. I bought a big deal in these dips. So I caught all of these dips going down, and now it's trending back up. So let's look at a chart for 3 months. Do you see what happened when it dipped down here? And that's really similar to what has happened up here, what we're currently in. This is where you make your money investing. This is where you make your money putting your money into the stock market and buying shares. In these dips is where you gain your money because you're buying at the lowest price possible and you gain all these percentage growths. And then when it dips back down, you buy more shares. And what's going to happen with this ETF? Well, let's just take a look at a year. These dips happen and people freak out and start getting out. But look what happens every time. Look what happened back here. It dipped. It runs up. You find a dip. It recovers. You find a dip. You buy more shares. It recovers. Think about if you had spent all of your money in your savings account and you had bought it there, right there, and that dip right there. Man, you would be sitting on so much money over the past year compared to it sitting in a savings account. It would be unreal to comprehend. Now it's dipping again, as you can see over here. Right now, it's in a dip, but it's in a recovery stage. It's starting to work itself back up, as you can tell with my one-day chart. It's heading back up. Now it may lose some from here. It may go back down, and you don't know that. But I know if you buy these dips, historically, you come out on top. Okay, that's my ARKK. ETF. Let's look at my ARKQ. ARKQ is almost to 4% today. It's the same deal. If you had bought these dips, if you had put your money in these dips, and every time that the market dropped, instead of getting out of the market, you decide to put your money back into the market and you buy these dips, look how much growth there is, guys. That's what you have to start looking at. Don't look at a one-day chart. Don't look at a one-week chart. If you looked at a one-week chart, as of today, when it started, it was down here. And you would have said, man, why is he investing in these ETFs? They're going down this week. That's where your money is. That you make your money when you buy, okay? You make your gains when you buy. If you buy at low points, here, that's where you make your money when you sell them up here. Now, we're holding them long term, or at least I am. And I can tell you right now, in 5 years, when it's up another 400%, I'm going to be so thankful that I bought them down here in these dips. Okay, I just want to show you that really quick, just to kind of show you guys what can happen with your long-term ETFs. You know, I'm not talking about this thing growing at a snail's pace. I mean, almost 4% today is a pretty good jump. It's worth investing in. It's worth putting your money there and investing in these dips. Like I like to say, when these dips come along, when it drops a lot, like it did this week, buy. That's when you want to buy. That's when you want to invest your increments right then and there. Now for the next week, for the next month, for the next 3 months, it may continue to just go up and up and up and up and up. And you say, well, if there's no dips, when do you buy? Just buy in each week. You know, there will be a low point somewhere throughout the week. Just try to find that low point, try to watch it and decide where that low point is. And that's kind of where you want to buy. But the moral of the story is buy the dips. When it dips, don't freak out. Let people jump out of the market and you take advantage of them getting out of the market and buy low and sell high. All right, guys, thanks a lot. I just wanted to show you guys that really quick, just kind of inform you on what can happen when you invest incrementally over a period of time. We're going to make a lot of money. Appreciate it.